Hi, Jackson. Today we're going to cook. Jackson, you say hi? He's funny. But today we're going to make
donut sticks.
Donut sticks. And when we make them, we're going to put them in the sugar and made out of cinnamon and sugar. And when we're done, we'll taste it and we'll say goodbye and the ending will be perfect, okay? Now let's start getting to work. See you in one moment. We're back. Hi, now we're in the kitchen and we're going to get started.
So what's the first thing you do?
We put the sugar on there. In the butter.
What is this?
This is a donut stick, but it's doughy. Look, it's like, but now you put it in here, and I think you're gonna like that. Come on, get it.
What are you mixing in it?
We're mixing it in butter, so we can put it on the pan, and when it's perfect, it's yummy, yummy. Ready, Mama? Ready, Mommy? Now this one.
And what are you doing right now?
Right now I'm putting them in there.
In where?
In this pot or pan. And then this is the butter. We have to mix it up.
What's the pot pan called?
The pot pan is called the heat fryer.
Air fryer.
Air fryer.
Okay, can you show them what you do once it comes out of the air fryer? Wait, how long do you put it in the air fryer for?
5 minutes. So we're almost done. We need one more. That's the last one. See, don't you see? It's doughy. Woohoo! Doughy, doughy, doughy. Now I'm gonna put it in.
You put it in for 5 minutes? At what temperature?
At what temperature? What?
Do you remember? Okay, you're the chef. What temperature are we going to make it at?
9 degrees.
9 degrees. For how many minutes?
For 5 minutes.
Okay. We're ready, butter girl. Okay, that's good. That's good.
And if you're wanting chef are good with napkins. Napkins. And then I'll set it to the timer. The timer is going to be fun and good. Okay? The timer. Let's go. Let's do this timer. Okay?
Let me help you. Okay, now tell them what happens when they come out.
I can do it.
Okay, will you show them what to do when it comes out?
When it comes out, it's like this. Everybody want to eat it, but chefs don't eat it until they're after done, right? So you grab it, grab some of this, and then sprinkle it on there. And then you sprinkle it on there again. And then you sprinkle it one more time, and then you flip it over. And you sprinkle it again.
What are you sprinkling?
And sprinkling cinnamon and sugar. And when we're done with that, like this, sprinkle, sprinkle, we're done. And then you give it to somebody you like. There you go.
Thank you.
The next one we'll put on the plate.
Next one what?
We'll put on the plate. I'm just giving it to her because I'm showing you that there's no people in this restaurant. I'm just showing you, but we have to show you because if we don't show you, it'll be like it's bad and we need to. Next one. Ready
Go
to
ahead,
help?
wrap up. What would you say to wrap up your video? To end it.
And you now, thank you for watching. I very, very hope you like it. And this part is you should comment below and hit the subscribe button. Give a huge thumbs up. Bye. Make sure to make it. Bye.